Hello and welcome to the EnvoMed 80 Digital Twin. Here we will show you how the EnvoMed 80 recycling process works. Open the waste chamber door. Place the medical waste inside the medical waste chamber. Notice that the EnvoMed 80 can handle up to 80 liters of waste. Close the medical waste chamber door. On the control panel, press Start to begin the process. At first, the pneumatic valve closes. The four-shaft shredder shreds the medical waste. Once the shredding process ends, two nozzles spray biocetic formula into the waste chamber. Unique biocetic sterilization process and chemicals eliminate resistant bacterial spores and sterilizes waste to STOT level 4, 6 log reduction. This process takes 12 minutes. After the sterilization is complete, the pneumatic valve opens, letting the particles head towards the snail and the fluids towards the sewage. Thank you for experiencing how the EnvoMed 80 works.